Welcome friends. In this tutorial, you will learn how to register a new user using JSP. This is the file to demonstrate the registration. See the action attribute of form. It is set to form servlet. Method is set to post. There are several text boxes in the form. One is for name, other is for username, next is for password, for gender and for city. When we click on the submit, the control will go to form servlet. Let's run the file. Here it requires data for the new registration. Let's do it. Click on the submit. You can see the message from the servlet that sign up is successful. Below it we have a hyperlink to the profile page. The file currently running is form servlet. So we will see the code of form servlet. This is the servlet file. These two lines gets the parameters from the request object. The parameters are name, username, password, the drop down menu selection and city name. We can see that in if block we are checking that whether any of the fields on the registration form was blank or not. If it was blank, then the if condition is true and it will print fill all the fields, and it will print a hyperlink to the sign up page. Now if the condition is false, then control will go in the else block. The first line is class.forName. It loads the driver JDBC. The next line creates the connection. Connection.create statement creates the statement for the query. Statement.execute update executes the query, and connection.close closes the connection. After the data is inserted into the table, we are creating the session for that particular user which has signed up recently. Using the method session.setAttribute, we are creating session name user and setting it to username variable, that is the username of the current user. If there was an error during all the above operations, then the control will go in the catch block and it will print the error occurred.